And into June, and is it this week we're getting to interest rates?
Yeah,
well, no.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Bank of Canada sets policy on Wednesday, Tim, and they're not going to, well, the probability in the market is at just 21% that they cut interest rates, so that's pretty low. Even though there is a lot of talk among various and sundry economists who say, you know what, you might want to consider cutting interest rates ahead of what is expected to be a struggling summer for the economy. Look, Friday we had the GDP data for the first quarter. Wasn't bad, better than forecast. There was a lot of front loading, though, getting ahead of tariffs by businesses. You're starting to see, though, under the surface, Tim, some cracks in the economy, shall we say. We're going to get real estate sales data this week for the month of May. That's not going to be good. There are going to be pockets of this city seeing some reduced prices, I'm suspecting. Last week we were talking with Chris about rising debt loads, debt delinquencies, those kind of things. The jobs report that's coming out on Friday of this week for the month of May is expected to show our Canadian unemployment rate at 7% for the first time in years. So yeah, we've got the weight of the tariffs. Maybe the trade issues haven't shown up in the actual data points, but the Bank of Canada, they'll just kind of go, well, we'll just wait. We'll just wait. That's what they're going to do.